Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Camry hybrid battery. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the 12-volt auxiliary battery. Always wear insulated gloves and safety glasses to protect against high voltage. Make sure the vehicle is completely powered off and the smart key is kept at least 20 feet away. You will need to remove the rear seat and various trim panels to gain access to the hybrid battery assembly. Now let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate and remove the bright orange service plug. This safely disconnects the high voltage system. Next, carefully disconnect all remaining electrical connectors and the cooling lines attached to the battery pack. Then, unbolt the battery pack's mounting brackets and support straps. Remember, the hybrid battery is quite heavy, often weighing over 100 pounds, so use proper lifting techniques, or get assistance to carefully remove it from the vehicle. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new hybrid battery into its designated compartment in the vehicle. Once aligned, secure the battery pack using its mounting brackets and support straps, ensuring it's firmly in place. Next, reconnect all the electrical connectors and the cooling lines, making sure each connection is snug. Finally, reinsert the orange service plug to safely re-enable the high-voltage system. For our final steps, let's reassemble and test. Reinstall all the trim panels and the rear seat that you removed earlier, ensuring everything is securely fastened. Then, reconnect the terminals of the 12-volt auxiliary battery. Start the vehicle and carefully check the dashboard for any warning lights related to the hybrid system. It's also a good practice to perform a diagnostic scan to clear any stored trouble codes and verify the new battery is operating correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.